Welcome to our channel Daily English. Improve your English. My daily routine. Lesson number 1. I am a teacher. I am a school teacher. I wake up early in the morning. I make my bed. I perform my ablution. Then I offer my morning prayers. I prepare breakfast for my family. I have my breakfast at 7 a.m. After breakfast, I get ready for school. I go to school by car. At 8 a.m. I reach at school. My first period starts at 8:30 a.m. in ninth class. Nowadays, they are studying grammar topic. Their topic is phrasal verbs. During break, I take tea. I take 2 more periods in class 8th after break. In my free periods, I check notebooks and prepare next day lecture. 1:30 p.m. is the ending time of school. I go home at 1:45 p.m. At 2:15 p.m. I have lunch. I take rest at noon. In the evening, I walk my dog. Sometimes I meet my friends. I cook food for dinner. I watch TV in the evening. I have dinner with my family. I wash the dishes. I change the dress. I wear sleeping suit. I read book. I go to bed early. Good night.